This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, cheese Blintz pancakes. There are no easier pancakes to make than these, and you should always double this recipe. Always. It's so delicious and light and packs a little protein punch with the cottage cheese. A hell of a lot less work than homemade Blintzes, and satisfies the taste buds that sometimes crave a cheese Blintz. You know what I mean. It can't just be me. I love a good cheese Blintz, and this is a much healthier alternative that's made in minutes. Do not skip the lemon zest. I repeat, do not skip the lemon zest. Listen to me. You know Mama knows best. I'm Mama Miche. Make your kitchen magic. Okay?
I love cheese Blintzes. Just like that. Do not scamp on that lemon zest and powdered sugar on the top, okay? Okay? You deserve it. You deserve the best. And this is the best. So, come on now. Let's eat.